person who has had a profound impact on my life. That is my friend Roshan. Um, he is a very honest person. Um, I got to know him when I was in university, and I first met him our orientation class. We spent a lot of time together, like playing video games, going outside, and so many things. He is not only a good friend but also um, instructor in online spoken, and he has been working for many years. uh, for example, I vividly remember when I was struggling with my spoken English. That time he helped me a lot, um, and gave me extra time after classes, and provided extra material to practice and learn many things. He is very important to me because he always motivates me, and he always creates positive learning environment and makes feel comfortable. One important thing, he is very kind individual,